wasted life. Eh? I just pity for the parents. I pity for the parents. Eh? If you do something that will like, if you don't like it, just click it. Even the last video I just the one I do about politics, I just want to say, okay, I have my own choice to support whoever I like. There was a comment that the girl say, now I believe say now leaders go make our country better. You understand? I don't know where it brain dey oh. If na front or if na back oh. I sure say na if na back, I know you know even I don't know where it brain dey. He all want make country better. Who they control country? Okay, now me where come there where they do live video. Now I come make country now our country better. Who want may not be the leaders? He say, how do I believe that is the leader that is going to make Nigeria great? Of course, the leaders. The leaders. The leaders. If you vote for the right person, then you enjoy it. If you vote for the wrong person, you are going to say sorry again. Whatever that you take from that person that makes you to vote for him, because maybe it wasn't your right choice, but because of one thing or the other, you just want to vote for that person because you have taken your own food. Then you will regret it. One way or the other, you will regret it. You understand? So, my friends, my followers, my family, beware of friend. Because I don't see something. See this one, I talk on it was last week or last week I did my video. This week, I saw the video yesterday. I saw it. I said, oh my God. Eh? If to say that girl no, say, this friend we I get now, jealous friend though. If I take he go give her gap now. He go give her gap before he can't end the life like this. Eh? I don't know. I don't know what to say because I've said it all. Beware of friends. I didn't tell anybody not to mingle with friends. Said and some people were saying that, oh, you can't do without friends. Who told you not to mingle with friends? I'm just telling you that you have to be careful because there is different type of friends you will come across. Now, different people now you go meet, different minds, different character, different story. Eh? You never see friends, you go pull life for your head. That lie. Till you die, you know feel come out for your head. You know feel pull that away. Now only God you go say, God, I beg help me. Come and put this thing away because it's not my load. You don't see what friends don't do. I'm just saying it, beware of friends. I didn't say don't go out with friends. You can do whatever you like. I'm just saying I've said my mind, but it's left for you to decide what to do with your life because I'm just doing my own. I didn't say don't play with friends or don't mingle with friends. I'm telling you, beware, be careful. Notice the type of friend you have. That's what I said. My brothers and my sisters, my king then. I don't want to do this video, but I just still say I want to tell my followers, my friends, my fans. Make una they beware of friend, I beg. I'm still saying it. I beg, una take careful. Who una discuss anything if you get progress. Before that friends go kill, I go say go even kill you before the thing where you want where you discuss with Akon. They go find way to do one. So I not say no play with friends. I know they see good friends, but it's not easy. It's not easy. Beware of who you go with, who you eat with. You understand? That girl they dance that day. And I don't know say na that day be last dance. The boy they dance the time, they do everything with her. And at the end, they said that boy was one of the killer. You understand? Why now? Why is this so that we don't have mercy? Eh? Out of jealousy. Eh? Out of jealousy is not nice. It's not good. Do your own thing. Eh? This is what I don't understand anymore. I don't understand anymore. Because of jealousy, you just end person life. Eh? I don't know. If you do this one, they'll say no, not be this one. If you do the other one, no, they'll say no, not be that one. Which one I want? Which one? I said beware of friends. There, some people said that you should not go with. Who says that you if I say anything, I am not there to command you to say do what I do what I say. It's left for you. I'm just doing my own. It's left for you to if you like the advice. And it's not a force, my dear. My brothers and sisters, those I know, those that love my video, those that encourage me, those that send me text message, thank you so much for encouraging me a lot. Those that share my video till this time, I don't know how to thank you guys, because you guys have been encouraging me a lot. You guys have been encouraging me. Now even make and say, me I dey do it every day. Una want try, so go call me, madam. Why you know they do your video often? I say I don't want to take it like, oh, if I don't do it, then I'm not like me. I will do it when my mind tells me to do it. If I feel like if I want to do, I go do it. But I don't want me take like all the things, because I've got a lot to do in my house as well. So whenever I want to do it, I will do it. I can't just be doing it like, oh, it's like every 5 minutes. No. If I want to do on my brothers and sisters, I go do on my king. My ladies, the topic is coming. And it's going to be amazing. So the topic, I don't want to say it now. If I say it now, it's like, I can give you a little clue. It's going to be like, the topic will be like, how do you support your ASEP? Your house girl. Which gap you give her? Which boundary you give her? Do you want your house girl to take over your house? There is some things that your house girl can do. There is some things that your house girl cannot touch. Not be saying you go get house girl, you can't take over. They wash your husband underwears. No. You know what the house girl don't do? House girl don't do. You can't abandon your house for your house girl. House girl go cook for my husband. House girl go wash clothes. By the time you started giving your husband pants to your house girl, you are giving access to that house girl. Like, oh, you can do something with my husband if you want. Oh my God. So I know we have to work. We have to do a lot of things. But if you want to take her, if you want get as girl, not be saying you can't get as girl. You can. But there is gap go there. He go know what he go fit do for the ass. He go know where a boundary. You go set boundary for the ass girl. Like now, if I take ass girl, I don't feel when they come. Ass girl and my husband, they go dey parlor. For waiting now. Waiting they want discuss. And they go ask girl, no fit dey parlor with my husband. No. So now be that. If you see now, men, they go want take ass girl. If you get house boy, the men go dey like house boy. You know now, house boy, they not even the answer where parlor dey. Kini or madam bedroom. The men go, their eye go spoil now. So it's supposed to be like the same thing. House girl need to just get your like your place. No access to the house. Different type of house girl. Now you go see oh. You understand? So house girl, I don't see where house girl take madam husband. Bam. Nothing happen. Nothing happen at all. I know we wait there this we wait there here. Ask girl not there now. You know easy now. No ask girl. Now back home. Ask girl will come turn to So so my topic go I will do my topic, which is I don't want to promise, but I'm going to be on live soon. My topic is going to be like amazing. So this is just the little one that I want to advise my followers, my friends and family. Please, if you know you love me, share this video, please. And subscribe to my YouTube now. And then wait for now. For those of you that have subscribed to my YouTube, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much for encouraging me. For those of you that have not subscribed yet, please now go to YouTube, Okwowa Talk Show. For una one they hear like people that doesn't understand my language. Okwowa mean woman is the pillar of the house. Yeah, because without woman in the house is not going. It's going to be untidy. You understand? So that's the meaning of Okwowa. Please, my friends, my family, subscribe to my YouTube and share this video and click like. Don't just look at it and leave it. If you look at it and leave it, it's like you are not encouraging me. Please do share this video if you know you love me. I love you all. My topic is coming. Remember, notice your friends, who they are, who type of friend that you have to do with them. There is different type of friend. Be careful, please. I don't want you to fall into victim. Please. Be careful. Be careful. Is real. Jolo's friend is real. Be careful. I don't want you to like do. I don't know. I'll be telling you guys. It's real. Bye bye for now. And I'm going to do my video soon. Bye.